Personal opinion, either Ma'am Joji or sa dalawang may-ari, naniniwala po ba kayo na basta coffee lover, walang love life?
Basta coffee lover, walang love life? Depende yun dun sa individual. Kasi coffee is a social drink. You know, yung coffee for peace was put up because of conflict, arranging two parties na nag-aaway to drink over a cup of coffee and discuss their disputes. Yung coffee sa mga high schooler at gumagawa ng assignment, no? Diyan nga na-form yung love life eh. Pakape-kape, no? Susunod, silang dalawa na lang ang nagkakape. So, coffee brings people together. Anong ating common na sinasabi? Tara, magkape tayo. Let's have coffee together. So it's a social drink na talagang, hindi mo naman sinasabi, tara mag-milk tea tayo. Tara mag-coffee tayo. No? Ibig sabihin, punta tayo sa coffee shop. Ibig sabihin, coffee shop or any others places na nagbebenta ng kape, it's a social drink. Just for us to have something to drink while we're talking. So, yun. Love life daw.
Yung mga partners namin, puro coffee kami. Kaming dalawa sa partner ko, kay Ma'am Gina din, kay Ma'am Joji. Kami mag-partner, yung mga namin, yung wife ko, yung husband nila. Yes, kung may discussion na kapihan na lang para hindi na mag-away.